Hey guys, it's in the morning here in Bangkok, and we are downtown. We are living like the locals, so I thought I'd take you with me to see what the locals do when they need something. So that's what we're gonna do. We need to go to the 7-Eleven and pick up. We have a bad air pollution problem here in Bangkok right now, so we have some scratchy throats. So we're gonna walk to the 7-Eleven, buy some stuff. Probably some drinks. We might go down and look at the pier real quick since we're going to be close. And this is just daily life here, things you got to do when you're not in the big city. All right, so this is our door. This is our little hallway. And also in Bangkok, or anywhere in Thailand, we got to take our trash, and we have to carry our shoes because we don't wear our shoes inside. Just about anywhere. We're gonna haul our trash down, and it's about a 10-minute walk to the 7-Eleven. So I'll show you some of the footage. We're gonna go through the local alleyways, which is quite interesting. We've done this a few times, and it's pretty neat. And that's what we're gonna do. Today we're in vlog mode, which I don't do a lot of, but we are in vlog mode. And so here we go. Toss the shoes, slip them on. Dump the trash, and away we go. Leslie's over here with her shoes, and we're gonna just go start walking down through these alleys over here, up in between the temple and so forth. And we're vlogging, so we're cruising down the back alleyways here, right next to the temple. Our room is right there. See the bluish turquoise windows? That's us up top. We have a very large room. And we'll do a little vlog mode here for you. So here we go. Yes, I'm turning around because I'm trying to use the app here to figure out the Google Walking app to figure out where the hell I'm going. Yeah, I tell you can get lost back here in these alleys for days, I think. Looks like we're gonna take a right up here. Who are you? Oh, there you are. All right, let's go. Gotta love this Google Maps street walking view thing. Man, it's just like dotted lines take you right where you want to go, and it's buzzing in my hand. So every time it buzzes, I think I'm supposed to be doing something. I gotta take a left here. Gotta watch out for bikes though. Morning. I don't think the locals like me filming, but I'm filming anyway. Public streets, man. A lot of birds out here where we're staying. Am I going to post this video? I don't know. It's not exactly the most exciting thing I've ever done, but you get a good view. A 10-minute long walk around. Look at the temple right there. I mean, it's just amazing. another older one over here. It's a nice walk around view of downtown Bangkok, down where the locals live. I'm not talking down near Backpacker Row or all that tourist mess, which we are going to, by the way. But this is just awesome out here. I love it. Let me know what you think about this footage, guys. This is a new camera to me. This is the Insta360 X5. It has so many flippin' features on it. Sometimes I get confused. But this one is just a vlogging mode style, kind of like any good camera would have. Alright, despite what we want to do is, actually this is what we want to do. We want to go up this side right here. Let's go. Nice gate. Still filming. I'm gonna let her roll. You can see the street conditions. This is Thailand, and this is actually pretty good for Thailand. So we're up on one of the main streets now. We're looking for the old 7-Eleven. Let's see if we can find it. Give me 1 second. I gotta check my map. But I think I'm close. We're on the main street here. Now, we don't really want to do that. We want to go... How do we do this? Yeah, we just want to go here. Like I know where I'm going. I don't know. There's supposed to be a 7-Eleven up here somewhere, y'all. Let's see if we can find it. Put you guys on well, let me get to this bus stop here. I want to put you on pause, and I got to double check my map. So let me stop right up here for a second. For all I know, I'm going the wrong way. Hang on. Alright, I think it's up ahead of us. And as I said before, and probably say 100 more times, this is your standard sidewalk in Thailand, and these are great if you want to compare them to Vietnam, where they're got 1,000 scooters are parked on top of them. But anyway, I think it's right up ahead. Wow, the food smells so good here. We just had some congee a few minutes ago. Boy, that was good. I wonder if we're going to the right place. I don't know. I told it to go take me to 7-Eleven. I don't know. Doesn't seem like there's one down here. There's a 7-Eleven. Doesn't seem like a place for a 7-Eleven. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see the sign up there. It said this was the closest one. It's weird. It's over the bridge. It's not the one we went to yesterday. Ah, I found Priscilla ice cream. Look at that. Yeah, I thought so too. Which means the pier is probably... Oh, that's the temple, so the pier would be back there behind that. Anyway, let's go. We're almost there. Huh. See, this is peace and quiet. Wait till we get to Hanoi. Oh, we just were on these waterways yesterday. Make sure you go back and check out my boat video. Anyway, 7-Eleven in sight. This is awesome. Hey man. Oh, look at that. Yeah, even the alleyways, there's beautiful flowers. Yeah, we are deep into local territory here. These are people's houses. This is cool. Alright, I see a cat and a bird. What do you think might happen? I'm gonna watch. Alright, that cat is stalking that little bird. And what do you think he's gonna do? Cat is stalking that little bird. Here he goes. Here goes, guys. And he's completely not interested at all. So let's go. I thought he was gonna go for the bird. What's going on, kitty? You don't like birds? Guess not. Anyway, 7-Eleven right dead ahead. This is not where we were yesterday. Part of the fun of it, walking around, seeing what's up. I hope you enjoyed this little walk to the 7-Eleven. This is just not a daily occurrence, but it's just something you gotta do. I enjoy it, seeing the new sights, going places I haven't been, etc., etc. I think when we get done here, I might go back and see if I can find the pier. We're gonna take a water taxi. Maybe today, I don't know. This is a kind of neat part of town, local.
Golden dawn on the Chao Phraya. Long boat is waiting.